What is up, Cervicide Nation? So as you can see, I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one getting excited about this. We got leaf color changing. A lot of leaves have actually dropped. We got our first cool front of the fall, and the leaves are hitting the ground. Hopefully some deer start hitting the ground soon too. Anyway, I figured since I had this opportunity, I was going to do an unboxing. All right. So those of you that don't shoot Wasp Broadheads, I definitely recommend them. You know, you can't go wrong with a Boss or your jackhammers, or if you're me, jackknives. I've had a lot of success with these. Every deer that I've hit, I haven't always hit the deer. I have shot over the top of a deer, but every deer that I've hit with these, pretty devastating blood trail and not a very far track job. So I recommend those for sure. A lot of the staffers like the jackhammers. Those are probably just as well. And this year, Wasp came out with the new Mortems. So I'm going to be giving these a try. They look pretty slick, compact, stainless steel, 100 grain. They look a lot like the G5 Strikers, just more rugged, I think, if you'd ask me. But we'll find out. I'm going to throw some of these down range here. Opening day is tomorrow here in New York, so I am excited about getting these on the tips of my arrows. Also new this year that I'm really excited about, I have such a hard time finding a good lighted nock. I've been shooting nocturnals and they're great, but I found out, I think it's for everybody, that our partnership there kind of fell through with all the COVID and everything. So this year I picked up some of the new Wasp Vestas. They look pretty slick. There's a little thumb tab for turn off and on. I don't know how you deal with them for the nano diameter, you nano diameter guys out there, but it's a little thumb switch here, and you can turn them off and on. Pretty slick. Wasp Vesta Lighted Nocks. First impression, they look a lot like the nocturnals, except for you don't need a knife or a pen or something to turn that lighted nock off. You can just use your thumb. There's a little switch. Will it affect the flight? I don't know. I shoot a whisker biscuit, so honestly, I'm not taking very many shots outside of 40 yards. My average shot is probably 25 yards, so I'm not sure that a little thumb tab is going to make a difference in arrow flight for me. But for some of you sharpshooters out there, it may. Keep that in mind if you want to buy one of these. Spring assisted, off and on, and I'm looking forward to shooting these. They look sweet. And that's all I got. It's been an unboxing of my Wasp products, Wasp Archery products package that I ordered 2 days ago. So thank you, Wasp, for getting that out really, really fast for my opening day. I was hoping to get it by the weekend, and you guys went above and beyond. And also, it comes with a sticker, so that'll go on the truck. Thank you guys so much for supporting us, Cervicide guys, and I love your products, and I can't say enough about them. So hopefully we'll get after the deer this weekend, and I'll have some more footage of these things except turned red. So stay tuned, and We'll see you next time.